In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently add numbering to your documents in Microsoft Word, making the process both easy and customizable. Let's dive right into this handy feature that you can find in Microsoft Word. When you're dealing with lengthy documents or outlines, numbering can be essential for organizing your information clearly. So, to begin, place your cursor exactly where you would like the numbers to appear, or simply select the lines, or even an entire column if you're working within a table structure. Once you've got that sorted out, head over to the Home tab on your Word ribbon. This is your main hub for various text formatting tools. Within this area, you'll locate the paragraph group. Here, you'll see buttons for various styling needs, but the one we're focusing on today is the numbering button. It's typically represented by a numbered list icon, and it's really your best friend when working with structured content. Once you click that button, you'll instantly see numbers appear precisely where you positioned your cursor, or in the column you've selected. This is a great starting point, but Word also offers some flexibility for those who want to put a personal touch on their number formatting. For a more tailored approach, look for the small arrow located right next to the numbering button. Clicking this arrow reveals a drop-down menu filled with different numbering styles you can choose from. Here, you have options ranging from simple numerals to more elaborate styles, and even the possibility of defining a new numbering format. This customization can be particularly useful if you're adhering to certain style guidelines, or if you just want your document to stand out a little more. Now, if you're incorporating numbers into a table, it's just as straightforward. First, you'll want to select the entire column that you plan to number. With the column highlighted, return to our trusty numbering button in that same paragraph group. Once applied, Microsoft Word will automatically assign numbers to each row within your selected column. This is a real time saver and ensures consistency across your document. Just keep in mind that playing around with these features doesn't just improve the visual appeal of your document. In many cases, it also enhances its readability. Adding numbers helps guide your readers through your content more smoothly, particularly when they need to reference specific parts. So, there you have it, the go-to methods for adding and customizing numbering in Word. Whether you're working with regular text or tables, these tools are here to help streamline your task. Hopefully, this has demystified the process and given you a clear path to implementing the numbering you need.